Hi, let me tell you a little bit about the B-25. 396th Bomb Squadron and the 41st Bomb Group in World War II. And the B-17 coming by right now was the Flying Fortress, built by Boeing. Initially built by Boeing as a Model 299. It was crewed by about 10 airmen. With a top speed of about 290 miles per hour at 25. Here comes the B-25, piloted by Langley Air Force, and has been taken to the National Museum of the United States Air Force at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Dayton, Ohio, where it is undergoing a painstaking total restoration to bring it back to the beauty that it once had. There you see, ladies and gentlemen, one of only 12 or 13 flying B-17s left in the world today. Amazingly, during the war, 12,700. Carolyn here, coming by right now, Larry Kelly at This airplane was never made to fly off an aircraft. Was to launch the airplanes about 250 miles from the Japanese coast. They would then bomb their targets in Nagoya and in Tokyo and other places, and then fly on to safe bases in China where they would be able to refuel and fly home. Unfortunately, the carrier fleet was discovered some 400 miles from the Japanese coast. And although the Americans sank the fishing boat that spotted them, they feared that a radio call had been made to Japan to the attack. And so the volunteers, those 80 volunteers, were told that they could abort the mission because they wouldn't have enough gas to get home in those